Hello everyone! I'm AYANA. Today, I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Press this button to create a new composition. You can also create a new composition by pressing Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Change the background. Click OK. Click OK. Press this button and select the Type tool. You can also change the Type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Change font settings. Change the paint color. Click OK. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Search in the search box. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Change the value of the property. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Change font settings. Change the paint color. Click OK. Press the Home key to move the indicator to 0. Press Spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.